Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Kinemaster app. To access this app, you have to simply install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have it, simply open it up. As the app gets open, first it will show you a pop-up. You have to just simply get agreed and then you will be onto this page. Now click on Create Now and choose any sort of video or image that you would like to edit, and then you will get to this page. After adding the video, it's time to add layers. The layers could be text, filters, effects. So for that, you can see this option layers on the left side. You have to click onto it and you get all these options. So now first we will start with the text. If you click onto it, then you can write anything, whatever you prefer. It could be any sort of title, or maybe you're trying to explain something. Whatever you type, it will be there. Then you can just simply select wherever you would like to paste it into this video. Now you can increase its size and you can actually select different side of fonts. There are a number of fonts available. You can select onto it and it will get applied. You can also set different sort of animation that will appear on the text. And once you have it, you can also change the color of the text, and then you can simply paste it into the video wherever you would like to. And you can also check out its length, like how long you want it to stay on the video. Other than that, you can add handwriting, stickers. Also, you can add the effects are sort of filters or maybe some sort of animation that appears on your video. So you can just simply check out any one of these and it will appear on your video. It may appear to a smaller size in your video, as you can see the square one, but what you can do is you can just simply drag and just simply select as per the size. Once the effect get pasted, you can see this is how it will appear. It may appear in a smaller section, but as I said, you can increase its size and can paste it to the full video. Other than that, if you would like to add the audio, you can also do it. There are different sort of music, SFX recordings or different things available. You can also record your own voice and you can use it, whatever you select, and then you will get the music based onto it. This one is the one that I'm using from a mobile phone, and once I have selected, you can see this is how it has been pasted. Now once I play, it plays the music, the text, the effect, and also the video at the moment. If you want to trim the video, then we have this option for trim and split. You can click onto it and split the video into two parts. You can also do it into further more parts. And if you want to add the transitions in between, you can just simply do through these transition effects. You can check out different designs, whatever you like the most, you can add it and it will be added as in between the transition effect. Then you can just simply play the video and can see how all the things looks. And once you have created your video and you want to download it, then you can see on the right we have this icon. Click onto this one and after that you can set the resolution and the frame rate and click on save video. Then after that you just have to simply wait for a while and then the video will get downloaded and you can just simply play it through this right section. So that's how you can use the KineMaster app. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Thank you so much for watching the video.